Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Qayyum Aziad bin Azran. This video lab is about the lab 3 of MEC 322 control system. The lab 3 of PLC Lab Simulation is about a host, the game buzzer control requirement. After the host has finished with the question, the three players will press the switch in front of them to fight to be the first to answer the question. So there are three switch, X3, X4 and X5. The buzzer will sound for 10 seconds with the input of X0 and the output of Y0. The light indicator in front of each player will light up and only be set by the host switch. The light indicator Y1, Y2 and Y3, and the host switch is X0. The timer 1 is for 10 seconds for the buzzer. Okay, let's begin our FP Win gear. FP Win GR. So we start with the buzzer. With the input, either the three of them push the switch button, the buzzer will sound. So we put the input of their switch X3 with the input of all the second person and the third person. Or button. Then the output is Y0. Next is the timer. The timer for this, so we had the input of Y0 and the timer is the MY1. Okay, 10 seconds. For the okay, let's continue to close the buzzer. To close the buzzer, the T1, the input of T1 will so I put the output of indicate Y4. When the Y4, when T1, when the timer is done, the T1 will continue, and the Y4 will close the system with the not input. So the buzzer will only flow for 10 seconds. Okay, next is the lights. The lights, we had the lights of X3, X3 of for input Y1, X4 the second push button, X4 for the output Y2, and X5 for the output Y3. So next, the number 4 is when the host, the lights will still light on until the host push the reset button. So you put the reset button and output of relay R1. So when the R1, when the host push the stop reset button, the R1 will light up. So the X3 will not. Same goes for the X4. X5, and the buzzer. Alright, okay, so if we push the if they push the X3 button, the Y1 will be the output, Y2 and Y3 will be shut down, will not be light up, so we must put the not button for the Y2 and Y3. So for this Y2, we need to not the Y1 and Y3. Y1, and then last one is and Y2. Okay then. And the end. Let's try to simulate. Okay, right here we will change the rung here. For the there is another way to put the X1 and all for the X2, the X4. And then this one, the T, we change the Y4 to not T1. Oops, needs to stop first. Simulate again. Okay, we try to force input. Enter the Y3, Y4, and Y5. Okay, let's go for the testing. So we will light up the X3. Oh wait. So we on the X3, Y1 light and the buzzer, and then for 10 seconds the buzzer ring and then stop after the 10 seconds, and then T1 stop. And then we put the on again. We enter the X0 for the host to stop the button. Okay, until 0 seconds. So after 10 seconds the buzzer off and the Y1 is still light up until the host push the reset button. So the host will push the reset button R1 and all the lights and buzzer reset. And then we free again. We start again, we free again for the setting of X4. We on the X4. Off and free. Off and on the X4. Oops, sorry. Off. XD off. Free. On the X4. Okay, yes. On the X4. Buzzer and lights. Okay, and then lights. On. And then reset button. So all the lights and buzzer will stop ringing and light. Off again. And free. Okay, the last one is to try the X5. We push the on button. Y3 lights and Y0 buzz. And then free the on the reset button. All lights and buzzer off. So that's all. So that's all for me. Thank you.